Mohanlal Sukhadia University, formerly known as Udaipur University, was established in 1962 to meet the needs of the higher education in southern Rajasthan. It has received a 4.1 star rating from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BA courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with the 3.4 star rated placements. While the majority of the students pursue masters and higher education in their fields of interest, some prepare for civil services and other competitive exams. In the 2023 placement drive, those who opted for placements received a median package of 3 lakh per annum. The year-over-year trend shows a 50% rise in the median packages offered over the past 3 years. A quick comparison with other nearby colleges indicate that MLSU still needs to enhance its placement packages to be on par with those offered by the University of Rajasthan. As per reviews, prominent companies such as FBSPL, Wooden Street, EY, Decathlon, Wipro, Bajaj and KPMG participated in the campus placement. Students secured roles including research analysts, quality analysts and revenue managers. Additionally, students often secure internships on campus with top companies like KPMG and Wipro, requiring a minimum of 75% pass percentage for placement opportunities. The university offers a variety of BA specializations including English, Sanskrit, political science and sociology, along with integrated programs like BA LLB and BA B.Ed. To be eligible, candidates need at least 48% in their 10 plus 2 exams. Regarding the cost, the total tuition fees for the 3-year program is approximately 9,000 rupees. The annual hostel fees varies between 10,000 to 12,000 depending on whether students choose single or double occupancy rooms. Scholarships are available for meritorious students and those from economically disadvantaged backgrounds. Turning to infrastructure, where MLSU boasts of a 4.2 star rating. The campus is spread over 600 acres in the Aravali Hills and is well connected and accessible by all modes of transport. As per students, the university has a well-maintained campus. Facilities include well-equipped classrooms with projectors, an extensive library, a campus-wide Wi-Fi access. Hostels offer comfortable accommodations with vegetarian meals, while sports facilities cater to both indoor and outdoor games. Medical support is available 24/7 on campus. Speaking of faculty, the university has received a 4.3 star rating. Faculty members are highly experienced with over 10 years of teaching experience. They use innovative methods to make learning effective and offer personalized guidance. Students are required to maintain a 75% attendance rate and can choose from a variety of electives and add-on courses. Those in BA Honours program can select minor subjects of their choice. The university supports research through several government-funded projects and collaborations with national and international organizations, enhancing academic experience. Moving on to the campus life, that has been rated 4.5 stars by students. The campus life is vibrant and engaging. The university hosts a variety of events, including literary, sports, and cultural programs. Students participate in social service initiatives and regular workshops to stay updated with industry trends. Festivities such as Navratri and Cultural Week offer students a refreshing break from their studies, enhancing their overall experience. Finally, the rankings, where the university is positioned in the 151 to 200 rank band in the NIRF 2024. For more details on MLSU Udaipur and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.